Let us start with a new chapter, okay, called as the arithmetic progression. A set of numbers. We know different types or different sets of numbers. Certain sets of numbers follow a definite rule. When they follow a definite rule, we call them as sequence. For example, check this. 2, 5, 8. Then naturally you will know the next number is 11. Good, very good. You add 3 to it, you get 11. 11 plus 3, 14, and so on. Here also 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Automatically you will know that the next one is 5 square. So all these are following a definite rule. Therefore, this is called as the sequence. Okay, usually we represent the first one, the first number as A1 or T1. And you don't know which is this one. So in general, we write this as Tn. Suppose n is 2, then this becomes the second term, T2. N is 3, T3. This becomes the third term, and so on. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed number is called the common difference. I take this example so that you will understand it better. It is a list of numbers they have given in which each term is obtained by adding. This is very important, by adding. Arithmetic adding. You have to remember this. There are different types. Geometric progression is there. Harmonic progression is there. You will not be studying about it. But in 10th standard, in this class, you will be studying about arithmetic progression. Okay, so here you have to add some number except for the first number. So I take the first number. Look at this example. The first number is 200. I add 50. You can take anything you want. I add 50 because this is just an example. So 200 plus 50, see here, 200 plus 50 is 250. Again I take the first term only, 200. Now here only one time I have taken 50. Here 250s I take. So 200 plus 2 into 50. So 300, I can write it in this manner. Now 350, I can write it as 200 plus 3 into 50. And so on. Now 750 is there. This one can be written as 200 plus 12 into 50. Solve it and you will see that you will get back this 750. If I take the first term 200 as A, usually we take it as A or T1. Then this 50 is called the common difference. Now this above thing I can write it as, see 200, I am taking it as A. 200 plus 50, I am taking it A plus T. 200 plus 2 into 50, so 200 means A. 2 into 50, 2 I keep it as it is. 50 is nothing but D, so I take it as D. The next one, 200 plus 3 into 50. So 200 A plus 3 into D, and so on. The last one will be as A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a very important part of this general form. This one is called as the general form of an AP, in which the nth term is denoted by A plus n minus 1 into D. I told you earlier, the nth term is denoted by Tn, okay, and it is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. Let me take an example. This is an AP, okay, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus half, minus 3 by 2, and so on. Which is the first term here? The first term is this one. So, A is equal to 3 by 2. They might ask you, find the first term and the common difference. See, they've given, right, the first term A and the common difference D. Okay, I've taken it again, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus half, 3 by 2. So here the first one is A. A is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now in AP, the difference should be common. Let me find the difference now. Now D is equal to T2 minus T1. In the previous this one, we know the equation. Let me write the equation again. It is 3 by 2, comma, 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, and 3 by 2. If the difference between these two, and the difference between these two are one and the same, then this sequence becomes an AP. Okay, first I will find for these two, then I find for these two, then I find for these two. Okay, I'll take the first one. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 means second term, so 1 by 2. Okay, and T1 is the first term, 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. You understood? Now here the denominator is 2. Here also the denominator is 2. Let me put it as 2 only. The LCM becomes 2. So here 1 minus 3. When the denominators are the same, you can take the numerators as it is. So it becomes 1 minus 3. Now 1 minus 3 is 2. Okay, you have to subtract different signs. This is plus, this is minus. So different signs we are subtracting. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 is the biggest number. It has got minus sign. So it becomes minus 2. Be very careful with the signs. Divided by 2. Now cancel this. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. I am left out with minus 1. Therefore, A we found out earlier is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, if you want, I'll repeat you. Look at this, which is the first term here. The first term is 3 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 3 by 2 and D is equal to minus 1. Okay, we are going to solve the first exercise. It's a very simple exercise. I have solved one problem for this. Okay, write the first 4 terms of the AP. Okay, the AP, we don't know. We have to find the AP. They've given us the first term. Okay, and they've given us the common difference. So the general form of AP we know. AP is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now what is the first term? A is 10. Then A is 10, D is also 10. Substitute. This is the second term. We'll go to the third term. It is A plus 2D. So it is 10 plus 2 into 10. Now I go to the fourth term. It is 10 plus 3 into 10. Now let me simplify. This is 10. This is 10 plus 10, 20. This one is 10. Put comma so that you will not get confused. 10 plus 2 into 10, 20. Third term. So each term is separated by comma. Don't mix it. Okay. Then 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. Now we get 10, 20, 30, 40. Therefore, the first 4 terms are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Please write down this step and put it in a box. Understood? I will send photos of the exercises for you if you don't have the textbook. Okay, we will take one more example wherein they will give you the AP. You have to find the common difference. You have to check whether it is an AP or not. Okay, so in this case, what have they done? They gave you the first term and the common difference and asked you to find the AP. Now, in the second main, okay, what they are going to do is, they will give you the AP. You have to find whether it is, they will give you a sequence. You have to find whether it is an AP or not. How do we find whether it is an AP or not? The common difference should be the same. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 8 minus 4 is 4. Look at the common difference. Is it the same? No, it is not the same. Again we'll take this 8 and 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. The difference is not the same. So will it be an AP? Correct. It is not an AP because the common difference is not the same. Therefore, 2, 4, 8, 16 are not in AP. Okay, the exercise, I will send you the picture of that so that it will be easy for you to solve.